Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Young and
to Adulting.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Yaya.
And today we're going to show you guys how we try out HelloFresh products.
So HelloFresh is pretty much like a subscription box that you get to choose like 3 meals. We chose 3 meals for 4 people for $50, and it's a promotion that they have going on right now. And they pretty much like send you everything that you need, like food, like ingredients and like they like proportion everything for you, and like you just have instructions and you just make it. That's it. So Grace is gonna go ahead and show you right now the 3 meals that we chose.
So we ordered the salsa verde enchiladas, and we also ordered the Melty Monterey Jack burgers, and then the pork carnitas tacos.
My favorite.
Yeah. So each sheet actually comes with the instructions on the back, how to prep the veggies and all that. Super simple, easy to follow.
At the end of our video, you guys will get to see what our plates look like.
Our plates look like the pork carnitas tacos that we're gonna be cooking in this video. We're gonna be showing you guys how we make the food, how we prep the ingredients for it, and then how the dinner comes out.
So stick around to see
how everything turns out. Okay guys, so for the box that we ordered, we got to pick 3 meals. The first meal that we picked was the pork carnitas tacos, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the ingredients that it comes with. So they each come in a little like paper bag, and it's sealed. It's a grocery store. And then so there's a separate box, and it comes with the beef. So this is the pork, the ground pork for the tacos themselves, and then you just if you're gonna cook it that day, then obviously you leave it out. But if you're not, then you just pop this in your freezer, and then you take it out whenever you're ready to cook. The bag came with tortillas de harina. These are a little big for tacos.
Cool.
I think it's a good portion.
I think I could eat 2.
And then the cilantro comes in one of these. I think this is how they sell it, like at Safeway.
That's nice.
That way it doesn't get messed up. It comes with 2 of them actually. Yeah, 2 of them. And then it comes with 2 of these big peppers.
My favorite for like chile rellenos.
It comes with limones.
Nice.
And then let me go ahead and take a look. I'm gonna show you guys the vegetables first. 2 tomatoes, red onion, 2 red onions actually.
Oh, we need to cook those quick.
Yeah, and then it comes with the Monterey Jack cheese for the tacos. It comes with 4 of the Daisy sour cream.
That's
so
cool.
You can put crema on them. Se me va la cebolla. And then it comes with fajita spice blend. So I'm guessing you blend all of these. It comes with a lot of oh, this is chicken flavoring. It comes with a lot of like flavoring, and I'm guessing you mix all of it together to kind of make the sauce that you put on there. It also comes with tomato paste and white wine vinegar. It comes with 2 little bottles of white wine vinegar, and that's probably for the salsa that you put on there. Oh, and then it's 2 of the cheeses. So the ingredients list that it comes with is pretty simple. It teaches you every step. It comes with 6 steps. The first one is to pickle the onions, to cook them, and then it basically just teaches you everything how to do it in 6 simple steps. It comes with all these ingredients, and we're gonna show you guys how we make these delicious pork carnitas tacos for you guys.
So these instructions were a little bit off for the food here. They didn't really explain much, so we kind of had to wing it.
Yeah.
And we decided to
do the
prepping first.
Yeah, we decided to do the prepping first, so we already went ahead and we cut up the poblano peppers, the cilantro, and the tomatoes, as well as the limes, and then we kind of organized all the ingredients as to how we're gonna use them.
So we're gonna go ahead and probably start on the meat first.
Yes.
And then we'll go from there.
So this is what the pork looks like. And we already went ahead and we heated up the pan. We put a little bit of olive oil in there. So we're just gonna put this on the actual pan.
And then you have to break it up.
Yeah.
We're gonna go ahead and add the poblanos.
Poblano peppers onto there
We're gonna saute this.
till it's softened. You want me to add the salt and
Yeah,
pepper?
if you wanna add the salt and pepper.
So now we're gonna be adding the meat in. So if you could just
Slowly put the meat back in.
and then as that goes, that's when you start adding the fajita spice, which is this one right here.
Some sabor. Literally, this smells so good, guys. Yummy. Es que yo no cocino, and Grace usually cooks more than I do, so I'm kind of happy to try this.
It smells like Norris, the caldo de pollo one.
Pues échale. Fajita spice, stock concentrate y luego la agua.
So this is the stock concentrate. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna pour this in.
Échale.
It actually looks really good.
Yeah, this looks really good.
And it smells really good too.
I really can't wait to like show them like once it's like done.
Tomato paste.
Oh my god!
It looks like,
That's so weird. So this is tomato paste?
yeah.
What? Have you guys heard of tomato paste in your carnitas? I don't know. Have you? That's weird, no? So maybe we should come up with like a Mexican Hello Fresh, you know?
Okay, and then you add 1/4 cup of water. The reason why it looks like a little bit is because ours is the 2-cup one.
Yeah.
It's not the little one.
So we're gonna go ahead and make the crema next once we put this together.
Okay guys, so now we're going to be making the sour cream. We already went ahead and we pre-opened these packages. It's the Daisy sour cream, and then it says to combine the sour cream
So we're gonna pour it all in here
in a small bowl.
in a small bowl.
It says to start adding the lime. We already have our handy dandy
Esprimador.
lemon
That's what we
squeezer
call it.
that we got at the 40.
Yeah, if you guys
Shout
know.
out to
It's swap.
the 40.
It's a swap meet type of thing.
Swap Me, yeah. If you don't know what the 40 is, it's a swap me. Shout out to David's
parents, they always hook it up.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the
Limon.
So this is the chipotle powder they sent us. It just says chipotle powder. It doesn't say a brand. And what's
Just
a
a
pinch?
pinch. So you're just gonna pinch. Remember like
The
the
mayo?
como
Oh,
así?
like the
Ah,
Does that look like
sí. Así está bien.
or more.
No, sí está bien. This is the pinch.
And
And then it says taste it and then
yeah, so she's gonna go ahead and mix that.
taste it again. Is that what you're
Yeah.
telling me? Ooh. What do you think?
I don't know, you taste it.
Girl,
Yeah,
does
you
it taste good?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, we forgot to tell them. So we're not sponsored by HelloFresh at all.
Absolutely not.
But we just thought it would be a cool video to do
Yeah.
with you guys. Because it's our first time trying,
Yeah.
so why not try it with you guys?
Okay. I think the consistency is fine. I don't really like watery crema.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
So
think
that's
that
what
looks
it
good.
looks like.
looks good. Another thing that we saw on here.
It says to put the tortillas in the microwave, but
to wrap them in a towel.
Yeah,
and
then
then
put them in the
put them in
microwave.
the microwave. And we're like, we have a coma.
Yeah, I'm like, absolutely not.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and like make the plates.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we'll show you guys the finished product after.
What it looks like. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we made our tacos. This is what the finished product looks like. We mixed in the cilantro, the tomato, the cheese, and the crema on top of them. We also poured in some of the leftover lime, and we squeezed it on there as well. We're gonna go ahead and try these right now. They look and they smell really, really
So
yummy.
good. So Grace, how did it taste?
It tastes good.
Damn, se lo acabó.
I eat really, really fast, but it doesn't taste Mexican enough for me.
So guys, we totally forgot to record our outro, and so now here we are. We did want to let you guys know how the tacos came out, and they came out pretty good. So then we decided to try the enchiladas the next day, and those came out pretty good as well. A little different because out of our Mexican style, what we're used to. So yeah, so we give HelloFresh what, a thumbs up for it being
I give
easy?
it like a 8 out of 10.
Okay, so she says 8 out of 10. I think the same too, because it was nice to have everything in a box and then just not having to go to the store. So
yeah, it just wasn't our taste, but we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and like and subscribe.
And then if you guys have any more ideas for our future videos, let us know in the comments below section, and then maybe you guys will see those in our next videos.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.